Hello everyone. So now I'm going to show you guys how to draw using value and form within your drawings. So all you really need is a number 2 pencil, which I typically use the Ticonderoga, and the Prismacolor ebony pencil, and then these blue pencils that are just HB light shading pencils. Also, these erasers are really good for drawing because they erase really well. Now when you start out with your drawing, I'm just going to be doing a simple sphere today to get the message across with what I'm trying to teach. And all you need to do is start with the blue pencil, and you're going to draw just a simple sphere. This is more like an oval, but it'll do for what we need. Now typically you want to start lighter because once you start darker you can't really go back to what you were trying to do. So you just want to start super lightly at the top, and this is where my light source is going to be. And you want to start from the side and then work your way towards the center. Now I'm just doing this super quickly just to give you guys the idea of what I'm trying to get across. Next, I'm just using the number 2 pencil to get that medium shade in the middle, still following the form so that you get the shape of the sphere. And again, this is very, very rough. Normally I would spend a lot more time filling in the holes within my drawing, but I don't really have time for that today. And then use the final pencil, which is your Prismacolor ebony pencil, which is just a softer lead and allows you to get those darker shadings in easier. And you want to start from the bottom and work your way up. Again, using form, just follow the curve of the ball. That's really all you need to do to give it that depth, and almost fall all the way up to give it a light outline. Then you can even use this to do some blending so that it's not so sketchy. The blue pencil can really help in that, to get into those fine areas where those strokes are so that it's not as strokey and sketchy. And the way I usually do this is just smaller strokes, light pressure, and small circles. And you can see in the places that I'm working that it's already helping with that issue. And it just really helps to blend it out and give it a nicer look to your drawing. So I would highly recommend doing that if you're doing a higher technical drawing that needs that better shading skills. But if you're just doing something fast like this, cross-hatching works. So you work in one direction up, and then you just go from the opposite direction from the other way to do the cross-hatching style, which not only adds form, but it also gives it that depth that you need, which is extremely helpful to give it that 3-dimensional look. And that's roughly how you do a sphere.